We're getting some more breaking updates coming in. We're going to talk about the income tax bill, which was announced by Finance Minister during her budget speech. And we are coming to know that it will be tabled today in the Lok Sabha. And one of our top stories, which we are tracking right now, back to our what's happening right here. New income tax bill to be tabled in Lok Sabha today. And we're counting down to that event, that big development that we can expect very soon. Now, the new income tax bill will be replacing the 1961 Act from April 2026. And the bill aims to simplify tax laws without any new taxes. So these are the very big updates we're getting for you right now. This is the new income tax bill to be tabled in Lok Sabha today. I want to go across to my colleague Rajat Mishra joining us from Republic Business team. Rajat, welcome to as we're live and breaking. Very important. You know, the new income tax bill will be introduced today in the Lok Sabha. But the bigger question is, what are the big changes that to look out for in this new income tax bill?
Yes, Shivangi. So, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is going to table the bill, Income Tax Bill 2025, which is going to change the cumbersome and very verbose Income Tax Act of 1961, which is 60 years old tax. And the whole focus is on simplifying the language, reducing the litigation, and also reducing the compliance burden. When we talk about how they are trying to simplify this in the Income Tax Bill 2025, if you look at the number of the pages, so in the older Income Tax Bill Act of 1961, it was of 880 pages. Now that have been reduced to 622 pages with 536 sections over 23 chapters. So if you look at the number of the pages from 880 to 622, the half of the pages, there will be the half of the pages in comparison to the voluminous Act of 1961. When we talk about what are the big things that we are expecting in this bill, and as we know, the bill has replaced the previous year as the tax year, and they have done away with the assessment year. Just to tell our viewers that we know that suppose for an income earned between 2023 to 2024 and the tax is being paid in assessment year. So now that previous year for which you are paying your income is also called as a tax year. So assessment year is completely gone. Also, the word notwithstanding, which has been excessively used in Income Tax Act of 1961, has been done away, and everywhere it's replaced with irrespective. Also, there are some clarities as far as clearer tax treatment of employee stock option is concerned. Also, we need to understand that this bill is going to be presented in the Parliament, in the Lok Sabha today, and after that, it will go to the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Finances. And after getting some suggestions from there, it will go to the cabinet again, and it will get approved and will be back in the parliament once again. Also, we need to understand that CBDT is having 22 specialized subcommittees that have reviewing the various aspects of IT Act. So we know that Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has always focused, and it's way back in the budget of 2024, she said that Income Tax Act needs to be simplified, the language has to be simplified. In fact, in a conversation with the Tuhin Kanta Pandey, who is the Finance Secretary, on the budget day, he also made it clear the whole objective is to make it user-friendly for the taxpayers and also to reduce the litigation burden, to reduce the compliance burden, and to simplify the language. And that is what we are expecting as far as the income tax bill is concerned.
All right, I think we're joining us there, Rajat, with all those details. So we will be tracking the story very closely because the new income tax bill will be introduced today in the Lok Sabha, and we will be getting you those updates.